everyone, this is Akanksha and welcome back to my channel. And in this video, I'm gonna be sharing with you what mistakes I made in my NEET preparation, and I don't want you all to make them, and as well as myself to do not make it in my dropper journey. So basically, I'm gonna tell you about my all my things like descriptive, and I'll give a description about what actually went in 2025 with for 2025 NEET preparation with me. It was actually like I knew in 10th standard only I'm not someone who is like very focused in offline coachings. Yes, so in 10th standard I self-studied. I went to tuition for 2 months and I wasn't that much focused, so I knew there are a lot of distractions, like so much time gets wasted in going and coming from there, and we don't get time to do self study, or there are so many other distractions as well. Like everybody knows what are the distractions like that, like any sort of distraction, right? You know what I'm saying. So yes, when I thought to give NEET 2025, I thought to prepare for NEET. I knew that somewhere that I'm not a person who is like very focused offline. So I was knowing I have to take a batch from online only, and I was knowing that I have to take from PW only, not a sponsored video. Okay, and I was knowing that I have to study from online only, but what thing I did was I took a dropper batch. I thought what I would do is I would study for like complete complete year, about only both two classes, and next year I'll also purchase the same batch and I'll study, and like 2 times revision will happen with me. And it was not a bad idea that I took a dropper batch and I studied from it. It was very helpful for me, and I never ever regret on that decision of mine. And yeah, this year also I took a NEET dropper batch. It was like 3 times I took my NEET dropper batch. It was Yaki 2.0 only, one in 11th grade, one in 12th grade, and one now. Yes, so I took online batches and I studied. And the main thing now we're gonna talk about even studying from home. I have a laptop, I have a nice internet connection, and I have phone. I have my separate phone, so no one could disturb me. Like I have my privacy of study. Also, we can study from phone. Also, sometimes if I'm tired of studying from phone, laptop. Sorry, so it was like that, and I have a separate room. There is nobody to distract me, or I was having so much of what do we say, resources, like a very nice room with where I have my table, chair, a very smooth chair, so that I cannot get my back ache, or back cannot get my back pain. So it was like that. And still, what happened, what was wrong? Even though I was not having any distraction, like I was not supposed to go to even colleges. I have taken dummy college school, so I have taken dummy school online batch. There is no distraction of going from one place to another, and or even a distraction like attraction towards opposite gender. We know it was nothing like that. It was not even in any relationship or anything. But still, what things are there even in online that distract us to not get that much of enough grades, okay, or marks or rank? Let's start. It's very, I have taken almost 5 minutes just to explain my all why I got distracted. The first distraction I was having was I was having resources but not used. What actually happened was I was having resources, like I was having all like online, taken online batch, and was but inconsistent. I was inconsistent in starting. I thought, no, no, I will do today's lecture tomorrow. No, okay, backlog is there, I'll watch. I used to watch lectures in 2x, but it doesn't hamper anything, because I get used to it. I studied it from it. So still I was having resources, but I used to like procrastinate so much. So even with having so much of resources that I can get any book which I want online from Telegram or anywhere, like even though I was having resources, I could not use them properly. But this year we made promise to ourselves that we are gonna use all the resources, means watch all the lectures without a backlog. We know backlog happens, but I'm gonna try my 100% that I am not gonna uh, leave any of my resources which are there with me. Like I'll read the notes, DPP, and everything, every stuff what is supposed to be done. Okay. Then the second number of distraction is procrastination. Procrastination is something very very bad thing, because whenever if we wake up late and we are like, no, I don't want to study, I want to study tomorrow, I wasted my this much time, and we procrastinate a lot, due to procrastination. First reason which mistake was like resources not used happened. Okay, due to procrastinating, I was not able to use all of my resources like notes, DPPs, modules I didn't took, because I was having it, another ones. So another ones means online, like teachers were saying that don't take, so I didn't take it. Yeah, procrastination is something really really hampers your study, even in whatever field you are in. Third is distractions. After removing distractions, what it is actually means, what thing I did, I that I removed my all like social media account. I'm not having any social media account like Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, no, but I was having just only one account of Snapchat in my 10th standard. That too I deleted. I cut off from my friends. I was not even in a contact for till 1.5 years to even a single friend of mine. I was just like terribly like into myself only, like that. So without even having any like distractions I earlier mentioned. Still, what distractions were there by which I got distracted? You're getting? I removed all the friends or everything which can hamper my study. We know what things are there. So even after removing, what thing was there again which was not supposed to be? Like it was my overthinking. Because of my overthinking, I wasted so many months and months and months. And that, like you, I would tell it in overthinking one session what overthinking I used to do, like how mad and how silly overthinking, due to which I used to waste my 3-4 months straight. 3-4 months it was like, and just thinking and thinking, I was like, oh, now I don't have any friends, still I'm not scoring good, and yeah, what shall I do now? What is now? I was so much, means like even removing distractions, I was like, why I removed my distractions? This happened with me. I was like sort of so much trauma, or no, what we say, depression sort of. Yeah. And now the thing is fourth our fourth one mistake was overthinking. Overthinking is like a very bad thing. We should not say it bad thing because it helps us, it clears our mind. It is supposed to be, you must not take every thought which came in your mind too seriously. It's like everybody in this world are now overthinking and overthinking and overthinking. And people, I have listened, when I was so much like doing overthinking, I was like, what I have to do? I used to cry and so much things used to happen. Then I used to watch Sadhguru's videos and all that, and in that he mentioned us where somewhere I listened that our brain is like a chopper or a knife. There, if we will put pure very nice vegetables in it, it will cut any very nice vegetables or very fresh fruits, anything fresh, anything positive, it will cut and everything would be positive. If we would put like ripe one, or not ripe one, but the wasted vegetables or the vegetables or fruits which are like what do we say, not supposed to be eaten, which we have to throw them, the vegetable waste, if we would put, and our brain would like chop it and chop it, as if now earlier we put all the nice vegetables, nice fruits, it chopped them and we were not happy. But as we started putting negative thoughts in it, it also chopped it. It was like, how do I would solve it. Our brain is always like wanted to solve the problems. So whenever we chop, we don't get solution. Now if something's solved in our mind, we don't overthink on it, and as we don't get any answer to that question, we start like so much very much we get hyper, and we are like, now what I should do. We are not able to solve that particular thought which you created, your mind created. Nobody else knows it is gonna even happen or not happen, or anything had happened earlier in past, and like you just think that, and you are like, now I'm not able to solve that problem. Now what shall I do? You get panicked a lot, and you are very much interrupted or disturbed, means you are very much in yourself only, so much got tensed about it, and it's really that overthinking, that word only, it's like I could not even explain it to you right now how I should say. A minute. It's just in creation of your mind. A thought came in your mind, your brain wasn't able to solve it, and it got panicked, and because of that panic, you got panic, your health got very much bad, and this and that happened. So the main concept of overthinking, concept, or like the thing overthinking, is actually you put thoughts. If you put positive thoughts, it will chop, it will solve, you'll be happy. If you'll put some, there are no negative thoughts, as Sadhguru also said. It's like thoughts which you didn't like, that's why they are negative thoughts. Thoughts are thoughts, they are not positive or negative. They don't know, we didn't like, so they are negative for us. So yes, if we put that thoughts, we are like, we got panic. I am not able to solve, and what if this happens after 10 years and 20 years and 30 years and 50 years. Even I was thinking of after what would happen after 8 years, and that was the thing which because of which I wasted my 3-4 months. I'm thinking of after what will happen in after 80 years, and why, God, why? Nobody knows of tomorrow, and why I'm thinking of it after 80 years and 20 years and 10 years and 5 years. No, we must have to be present at the present moment. So, a very clear solution I would give: Just take deep breaths, and there is an Ho'oponopono technique sort of. Whenever some thoughts come in your mind, like that thoughts you didn't like, that thoughts or negative thoughts, so just start chanting that thing. It's like, yeah, sorry, please forgive me, thank you, I love you. These are the 4 statements you have to say in it, and you have to continuously say it. So whenever any thought came in your mind, which because of which you're getting so much distracted or getting panic, just start saying that, and tell yourself, clear yourself that it's just a thought. It's nothing than your own mind's creation, because you created it, you know it, nobody else in this world know it. Okay, and start thinking that I can solve that problem. Anything happens, I am the one who can solve everything. I am a human being. Okay, yeah, so overthinking was the 4th one, which took a lot of time because it is a big much issue, I think so, because it was with me, due to which I wasted my so many months and like years. Yeah, if I wasn't overthinking now, I was 100% sure like MBBS I got it within first attempt only. I am not even sure if I could get with the counseling. I am not even sure about that, but still, as I am preparing for NEET 2026, I am thinking only of NEET 2026, not thinking of NEET 2025. Okay, but now in this, that was 4th. Yes, now 5th one mistake. My 5th one mistake was less test practice. What used to happen, test used to come, it was starting I was having so much josh and all, and because of which I was like, I gave the tests and I used to score 360, 390, around 400s in starting. Okay, and I was like, ठीक है. But then as I was procrastinating, resources were not used, I didn't studied, less test practice. I used to leave the test. I used to say I'll do next Sunday, as there were when if test is on first Sunday, so seventh date, that second Sunday would be holiday, and like that the next Sunday to that would be on the 14th Sunday. 14th date means 14 date means that third Sunday would be the test, means one Sunday was off. So I used to think if I didn't give it on the first date, I would give on 7, and in that also I used to procrastinate and I used to leave, and I was now get panic and such of all things. Less test practice was there. Okay, what you must do and what I'm gonna do is, whenever the test would be, give that test at that time, no matter you are prepared, not prepared, or you just have to sit and give that test. If you get negative marks also, okay, there's a whole week, just concentrate on the topics, and test analysis is also important. Yeah, if you give test, don't leave it. On Sundays tests are there usually in morning, 10 to 12, one tests are there like that, 11, 12, 10, 11, 12, 1, yeah, till 1 p.m. there your test would be. So what you have to do is take a break and then sit on Sunday only from 3 or 4, just do the test analysis. Okay, and or do all the remaining work. Okay, both you have to do, but test analysis also important. Now is the most, which happened due to procrastination. Everything happened due to procrastination and overthinking. That the 6th mistake is syllabus incompletion. Lectures used to happen, backlog created, and syllabus didn't complete it. I didn't complete my syllabus. Now what happened in the end when April month was there? I was waking up at 2 p.m. or 2 a.m. in the morning and used to study, but that time I was so much active. It was not like that I'm not prepared. I was prepared. Syllabus was completed. Only 2-3 chapters of bio were remaining. Everything else was done. Means syllabus is never completed of anybody. And even once syllabus till the end won't be completed. Okay. So syllabus incompletion is also one of the most important thing you must do. Completion, I said. Incompletion is something you should not do. Okay. Yeah. Now, seventh one is wasting time wasting. You overthink a lot, then you procrastinate. You procrastinate, then you overthink a lot, and due to which your time gets wasted. Your time is so precious. Whether thinking of that any thought which came in your mind, just leave that thought and you say that whenever what thing would happen, I'll see if it happens or not happens. I know what is with me, and he could never have make anything bad happen to me or anybody. Okay, like to with us. Okay, God is always with us. Okay, we are very good. He could not behave bad with us. Behave in sense, do bad with us. Okay, so time wasting is also something which is very important that we should not do. Okay, so these were the all 7 mistakes I made throughout my NEET journey without any distractions. But my distractions were procrastination, due to which overthinking, then procrastination, and then everything in this all this other 5 happened with its flow only. So make sure you don't make the mistakes, and all these mistakes if you're preparing online, sorry, because offline's distractions are, you remove them. Now you have online distractions. I wasn't having that like reel scrolling one addiction or watch. Yeah, I was having, I have forgot, yeah. Yeah, I should say that I used to waste my time. I wasn't wasting, but when I used to watch lectures, I used to sit with my mom and watch the whole serials. I don't watch web series or something, but I used to watch one particular serial. I thought it would uplift my mind. I'm overthinking. So, because watching that serial, what you do or what even that characters do is they connect themselves with that character, what they are playing, and even we can sometimes connect ourselves with them. We think and we imagine them as ourselves as them, and we start to do a lot of like overthinking on it. I used to watch that serial after watching lectures only, but I used to watch it continuously without getting bored, and I used to overthink a lot, and because of which I used to overthink and procrastinate. My 3 months also wasted due to watching that particular serial, and I stopped watching it. And health is also something very important. If you stay at home now for preparation, as you study on this chair, sit on this chair now, what happen is when you sit, if you don't have a comfy chair which moves or like that, so your back starts paining, which can create a headache. Or as you have a lot of screen time, so you would have a lot of headache, which I used to get. A lot of health issues I used to get during this preparation. And one of my friend was saying, Akanksha, you wasn't even having any distraction, but why or what happened actually? I said, just one time you also prepare from online and then tell me. If we prepare from offline, we have somebody to talk, we have friends to talk with, right? We are like, we can share our emotions and talk with somebody, but I wasn't having even a single friend. Now I have only one friend of mine with whom I am connected, and nobody else, and that to my 5th standard friend, which was till 10th standard. Yeah, this was like that. Take care of this all 7 things and your health also. Till that, thank you and bye bye. Take care.